the limiting belief, but that limited belief, the belief is knowledge and experience. And what is the knowledge? This body is made up of muscle and bones. But what is there after the muscle and bone is the cells. After the cells, what is there is molecules, atoms. You can keep this body intact, but can you keep the atoms and molecule in a glass jar? Please let me know. They are floating. In fact, there is another misconception of untouchability. It was not in the Vedic age. That was not in the Vedic age, I am telling you. It is ignorant teachings when we were slaves. Untouchability, that is of a lower caste, that is of a higher caste. Higher caste cannot touch the lower caste, and if it touches, he'll have to take bath. Now, the most interesting thing, every cell of my body is getting disintegrated at every moment, and every moment the new cell is taking birth. Now, from where these cells are taking birth and what happens when they disintegrate? Once they disintegrate, they are turned into atoms. And the atoms, they are giving birth to the cell. And every breath which I am breathing, I am exhaling all the atoms. And every breath which I take in, I am inhaling all those atoms, the prana. So we all sitting in this hall are breathing each other. Whether of any faith, whether of any religion, whether of any caste, so-called lower caste, so-called upper caste, we are breathing each other. So we are talking about touching, but what about the cells of somebody else are now taking rebirth in my body? And cells of my body are taking rebirth in somebody else's body. So in fact, every human being, as a matter of fact, the Shiv Yoga says that every being on this planet Earth is like a river, is a flowing river of consciousness, because these atoms are further broken down into subatomic particles, and subatomic particles are converted into energy, and that energy is converted into vibrations. Can you separate your vibrations to not to touch the vibration of other person? Or can you stop the vibration of other person interfering in your vibration? Tell me. So it was a foolishness. The body is not made up of hardmans, and there is no upper and lower. We all are the consciousness. We all are the part of cosmic consciousness.